Hey guys, welcome back to Confirm and RM YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day getting ourselves back into 2-minute technicals video looking at XRP. And yes, I'm speaking fast as hell because I need to get through this and I want to show you what happened. So XRP has done the overexhausted move. We know we came up here to the 54-cent mark. We knew that was going to be a resistance, and we did talk about the 58 cents as being that overextended. We all knew that already. You know, it's nothing shocking. We all, in my article, I even mentioned the 58 cents. 58 cents was going to be that mark, and you see it. I had it as 57 for the longest time, but on a, that was kind of more of a theoretical. But I guess it played its part as well. Based off of a shorter term chart, you can see that full extension up to the top there was just about that, as you can see, hitting itself 57.052, hitting up here to almost 59 cents. And what happens with XRP? We come back down. We were pretty far overextended, and now coming back here on the 4 hour, back to the 20-day at least here at 51 cents. It's nothing that we didn't expect. So get ourselves into 1 hour. We can kind of get ourselves a better idea of what we see happening. We can grab ourselves some trend lines, go across the top here. We can see that we are going to be making, well, we're holding this at the moment, a move of sorts. It looks like if we hold here, it looks like it might do another relief, pushing up here to around 57. But I think it's pretty overextended in my own opinion, because 58 to 60 region is a pretty heavy region for XRP. If it is able to break through that, I would expect up here to 62 all the way up to almost 70, based off this most recent trend. But I believe if we go here on the more 4 hour, or maybe even the daily, let's actually go on the daily. All right, looks like we got our high here around 65 before our fall, which was down here to actually just right about there, around 28. So you see we bounced around here on the 382, around the 236, tried retesting here to 702, could not, and just meandered. We got our push back up, but as you guys know, the 786 is a critical region for it to get through, and it did hit it with a resistance. So nonetheless, if we're going to see a push out of XRP, I'm gonna get rid of all this right now. We're gonna want to see it push up to 66, 65, and then have it turn 57 as a support. Because as you can see that this is a confluenced region right here, especially in right here, because it was a numerous retest region previously back in May of 2022. Isn't it funny how we're almost close? It's almost been a whole year since XRP has been at that price. But regardless, I'm just showing you guys this. Worst case, this is XRP's exhaustive move, and you see we have our little trend moving here throughout the year. That's going to wind up pushing its way up, and who knows if it does wind up rejecting. I would expect it to come down to this 47 first and see if it can hold this and maybe meander sideways, but we're gonna get over to it. But at the moment, in the next day or two or week, I'm just expecting it needs to get above 57 cents and close nicely, and then retest through 60 for a nice continuation. Otherwise, I do fear that we're gonna see that that 46 again, at least the 49 because of its breakout zone right here. But I'm just going to be looking for the break. I'm going to be looking for the solidification of the trend reversing. As you guys can zoom in again, I will put this again. It's trend line on the bottom, this trend line on the top. Seeing our either push to the upside, getting back above, hitting up near to 60, or we're going to see our push down and come back down to 46. It's one of those two, in my opinion, within the next couple days. Because we're pretty overextended, so let's see what happens. But all right, guys, have a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Please don't take it as such, and I'll see you on the next one.